Welcome to the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer course. If you ever thought clouds were only for weather forecasts, prepare to have your mind expanded. In this training, we are not just exploring cloud computing, we are diving deep into data engineering on one of the world's most advanced platforms. Our course is designed to equip you with the skills to master Google Cloud, transforming you into a data wizard who can handle even the most complex datasets with a smile. Join us on this exciting journey, where innovation meets a dash of fun, and your career gets a well-deserved cloud upgrade. We've divided this journey into 4 modules to make your learning experience as clear as a well-optimized data pipeline. In Module 1, we kick things off with a deep dive into Google Cloud Platform fundamentals, covering everything from the introduction, billing, and compute engine, right through to the intricacies of IAM. Think of it as laying the solid foundation of your cloud castle. Module 2 shifts gears to data storage and management. Here, you'll learn how to safely store, manage, and retrieve your data, because even in the cloud, your data deserves a premium vault. Module 3 is all about data processing and pipelines. Get ready to streamline your data flow so efficiently that even your morning coffee might feel envious of your newfound energy. Finally, Module 4 focuses on monitoring and logging along with optimization techniques. This module is your toolbox for ensuring everything runs smoothly, like having a top-notch maintenance team for your digital ecosystem. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your career, one module at a time, with a sprinkle of humor and a whole lot of expertise. Welcome to Module 1, Fundamentals, the cornerstone of your journey into the Google Cloud Platform. In this module, we begin with a concise introduction to cloud computing and explore why GCP stands out in today's digital landscape. Next, we'll show you how to save your pocket by creating a free trial account, giving you hands-on access to GCP's powerful tools without any upfront cost, truly a win for your budget. We then move on to billing, ensuring you understand how to manage your resources efficiently and cost-effectively. Following that, we dive into the compute engine, the robust engine that powers virtual machines to run your applications. Finally, we cover IAM, or Identity and Access Management, which is essential for securing your cloud environment and managing user access. Let's embark on this foundational journey to build a solid base for your cloud career. Welcome to Module 2, Data Storage and Management. In this module, we delve into the heart of data in the cloud, exploring a variety of powerful services designed to store, manage, and accelerate your data-driven projects. We begin with Google Cloud Storage, a secure and scalable object storage solution that provides a reliable home for all your data. Next, we introduce Google Cloud Data Store, a highly scalable NoSQL database perfect for web and mobile applications, ensuring your data is always at your fingertips. Moving on, we explore Google Cloud BigQuery, a fully managed and serverless data warehouse that leverages Google's robust infrastructure to execute super-fast SQL queries, making big data analysis both efficient and effective. We'll also examine Google Cloud SQL, a fully managed relational database service supporting MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, ideal for handling traditional database workloads with ease. In addition, Google Cloud Spanner offers a unique blend of horizontal scalability and transactional consistency for global, mission-critical applications. Furthermore, we cover Google Cloud Firestore and Data Store, flexible databases tailored for mobile, web, and server development, and finally, Google Cloud Memory Store, a fully managed in-memory data store service that dramatically boosts application performance. This module will equip you with the expertise to choose and manage the ideal storage solution for any workload, ensuring your data is secure, accessible, and primed for innovation. Welcome to Module 3, Data Processing and Pipelines. In this module, we are diving into the dynamic world of data orchestration and processing on Google Cloud, where efficiency meets innovation. We begin with Google Cloud Dataflow, a fully managed service that simplifies the execution of data processing pipelines. It enables you to transform and analyze data in real time with remarkable ease. Next, we explore Google Cloud Dataproc, which leverages Apache Spark and Hadoop to process big data quickly and cost-effectively. It's your go-to tool for running clusters without the complexity of manual configuration. Then, we introduce Google Cloud Composer, a robust workflow orchestration tool that lets you automate and manage your data pipelines effortlessly, ensuring your tasks run smoothly like a well-tuned machine. We'll also cover Google Cloud PubSub, a messaging service designed for building real-time analytics and event-driven systems, so you can efficiently process and stream data as it's generated. Following that, Google Cloud Data Fusion comes into play, an intuitive, visual tool that empowers you to create and manage data pipelines without writing extensive code. Next, we transition to the world of data visualization with Google Cloud Looker Studio. This platform transforms your raw data into compelling, interactive dashboards, making complex analytics accessible to everyone. Additionally, Google Cloud Data Catalog offers a centralized metadata management system that enhances data discovery and governance across your organization. Finally, we explore Google Cloud Data Prep, a visual data preparation tool that simplifies the process of cleaning, transforming, and enriching your data for analysis. By the end of this module, you'll have the tools and techniques to design, build, and manage robust data pipelines that turn raw data into actionable insights. Welcome to Module 4, Toolbox. In this final module, we equip you with the essential tools to keep your cloud environment running at peak performance. First, we'll explore Google Cloud Monitoring and Logging. This service provides comprehensive insights into your system's health, performance, and security by continuously tracking metrics and recording logs. With these capabilities, you can quickly diagnose issues, optimize operations, and ensure that your applications perform reliably at all times. Next, we dive into Google Cloud optimization techniques. Here, you'll learn strategies to fine-tune your resource usage, reduce costs, and enhance the overall efficiency of your cloud deployments. Think of it as having a top-notch maintenance toolkit that keeps your digital ecosystem in tip-top shape. Together, these tools empower you to monitor, analyze, and optimize your Google Cloud environment, ensuring that your infrastructure not only meets current demands but is also ready to scale for future growth. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Still thinking about joining the Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer course? Let us help you decide. This isn't just another training program. This is your opportunity to learn from industry professionals who have worked on real, large-scale cloud projects and bring in decades of expertise straight to your screen. You'll get access to hands-on labs, real-world proof of concepts, POCs, and practical training that will prepare you to master data engineering on Google Cloud. Whether you're aiming for a career switch, upskilling, or certification, this course is your launchpad. So don't wait. Enroll today and take the first step toward becoming a certified Google Cloud Data Engineer. We are excited to see you in class. Please visit our website www.lvelues.com for more information, and you contact us on our mobile number +9 17420920360, and same number you can WhatsApp your query.